So I wasn't originally sure if I was going to make this video, so I don't have any perfect before pictures. So I'm adding random screenshots of what it looked like before we started trying to remake this room. We painted the walls white. They were originally this peach color, as you can see, and the furniture was placed differently, and it looks a lot more different than it originally did. But I'm going to include random videos of things that show kind of what the place looked like before we did the thing. So in this one, Licorice is trying to get Theo to play with her, but it kind of shows you a little bit about, like, the table is now different, the chairs are different, the wall color is different, and then this is Theo trying to attack Licorice, but playfully. I mean, he's not actually gonna hurt her. And it's really cute. But anyway, so I didn't think I was originally going to do it, so I didn't take any really good pictures beforehand. So you'll just be able to kind of tell what it looked like without the actual before and afters. And I'm going to have a really hard time making a thumbnail for this because I don't have good before and after pictures. So I don't know what I'm going to do. Excuse the mess. It was probably a work day. But I was actually painting. I just wanted to point out. But I also wanted to take videos. So I never have a video of me painting. But I promise that I didn't let them do all of the work by themselves. But anyway, so the rest of this video is going to be short clips of everything. And I have 2 DIY clips to throw in. And I hope they're helpful. But anyway, this is the rest of the video now. These are the side tables. So basically I'm using baking powder to make the paint look more like a terracotta style. So like it actually looks like pottery. And so I'm going to use this green. And I'm basically just going to try to make a couple of these so far. I bought this at Hobby Lobby for $1. And I'm just going to make a lot of these. I have one over there that I'm going to paint soon. But yeah, I basically just did I found this on TikTok, obviously, but like it was a 4-to-1 ratio of baking powder and paint because I don't want to have too much baking powder. But yeah, it should be fun. I'm so bad at painting. It's so bad at painting, but with one hand. This is gonna need a lot of coats. This is what it looks like. I think I used way too much baking powder. And I also saw where people use baking soda, so I think I might have used the wrong thing. I didn't bother painting the bottom, if you can't tell. I'm just gonna hide that part. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It's falling out, but I tried, and that's all that matters. They're all falling out now. But yeah, I think it looks cute. Okay, I have meant to record this for a very long time. We painted the walls white. They were this peachy color. It's like very peach. It's basically an orange almost. And yeah, we painted the walls. And I was trying to document this so that I can make it a realistic transformation, because a lot of times when you look at videos, there's like people who can spend thousands of dollars. And so we are broke college kids. So this is what it looks like now. We have a couch and lots of pillows. Excuse the mess. I'm about to go on a trip and that's all my luggage. But the walls are white. I bought this at a yard sale. It was a yard sale. I got the leaves and then this for $2, I think. And then there's this cute little guy. I found him and he's a pencil sharpener. But like, it's so cute. And I have another globe in there I'll show you. But I don't know, I kind of want to start a globe collection. Because this is really cute. But this is our little sitting area in the living room. I need to move the chairs because they're completely off. And then there's a lot of pillows that I need to cut the tags off of. This one says Home Sweet Home. And that's the thing I made that I talked to you about. And then this is something that Harrison found very cheap. I think it was like $15 at a yard sale. Basically everything that we bought is either thrifted or from a yard sale of some sort. And then I have pink curtains because I'm obsessed with pink. And then we got this little trunk, I guess, from a thrift store. Like I said. Everything is thrifted. And here's little Licorice. She's so cute. Fine, Licorice, you're cute. This is the paint from whenever I was painting, but the walls in the kitchen are white now too. I bought this fruit stand from Hobby Lobby and it was very adorable. And there's my mask. This is the most finished area of the house so far. Basically, we have this hexagon thing that once had a rose bush in here, but I'm horrible at keeping plants alive, so now it's dead. And I need something else to fill it. And then this is the globe I was talking about earlier. It's very pretty. It'll move. I'll show you. Ugh, I'm bad at this. There we go. But it's very pretty. And then this is the plant that I can keep alive. And I'm wanting to see how long it can grow. I'm going to have to trim the leaves soon because Theo keeps trying to eat them. But he's alive and healthy. Alive and healthy. But I guess he is wealthy too. But yeah, this is the laundry room area. Right above the thing. And these are little hooks for coats. The walls are still yellow, obviously. But this will also have white walls eventually. I'm a little awkward and I don't like recording in public. Hi, Licorice. But that's all I have so far. I don't know if I want to make this like a very short video where I just show some befores and some afters. I might just wait until the painting is done in the laundry room. I don't know. But it's coming together so far and I'm really excited. But I wanted to document it just because mostly there was a person when I shared the before and after of the living room. Someone was like, "Are you recording it?" And I was like, "No, but I can." So someone asked for it. So I guess if one person asks, I'm gonna do it, but whatever. Okay, but to give myself credit, I said I kill all the plants. I've had these plants for a very long time. This one wasn't originally even mine, but see, it's so tall I need to trim it, but I'm making Harrison do it because he's better at doing those types of things with plants. I just water them. But see, they're alive and thriving, except for this one, because Theo killed it. He knocked it over, and then it died. But I didn't kill it, so I'm not a plant murderer, even though I say I am. But they're alive and thriving, and they're so happy. They're cute, though. And this is Theo, the plant murderer, but he's so cute that we forgive him. Now he attacks me. He's cute, bye.
Can you actually smile one time? This will be the real one right here. Get a good angle. Get that going on.
I am smiling.
When you real smile, take a picture.
I'm trying.
No, you're not. That's a fake laugh. It's not really laughing either. It would work if you do anything real.
I'm sorry. Wrong way. Flip it. Go flip.
You'll see it.
Okay, so now here's the second DIY thing. I basically did the exact same thing I did earlier, but with a mirror. So I just taped over the mirror part, and I did I didn't necessarily do exact measurements, so I don't really know what to tell you, but I worked off of a 4:1 ratio, so that there's like, if I went in like cups, say I was using cups for some reason, so I did 4 cups to 1 cup, if that makes any sense. So like 4 cups of paint and then 1 cup of baking powder or baking soda would be what I did. But I didn't do any exact measurements, so I have no idea what I actually used. But I just basically, I did it until it looked a little gritty, but it wasn't so gritty that I thought it would dry like the first one did, because I think I used way too much in the first one. So I did a little less than I did the first time. But I think it's cool to use it on mirrors, and I didn't really see anyone doing that. I was like, oh, this could be cool, because I wanted to do a mirror wall, and I don't know for sure if I still want to do a mirror wall, but for a while I wanted to do a mirror wall. So if I don't, I'll find somewhere to put this later on, but I guess for now I'll just put it somewhere random. But anyway, so basically just follow the exact instructions I said earlier, and then just do it on a mirror if you want. It's basically the same DIY but just different objects. So it counts as separate. I'm gonna count it at least. Extra tip, I found that blow drying it in between layers can help it dry faster, which means it makes the whole thing take less time. So it won't show that it was a 20-minute process, but it was like a 20 to 40-minute process, because I know for sure I had one clip where it was 23 minutes of me just painting. So it really, really helps if you use a blow dryer and do that between coats so that it dries faster. Okay, So what isn't pictured is that I realized how dumb it was of me to kind of try to do the splatter paint inside because it would get everywhere. So I do eventually take this outside, where I would recommend you start, because I was not very smart and I got the black paint all over my highlighters. If you can't tell, if you look at the penguin right now, you'll see a splatter, one singular splash of paint. But I realized it's probably not the smartest idea, and what I wanted to do, a better technique of doing this, and this, instead of doing what I'm doing where I'm brushing my finger against it, is just, how do I explain it? You basically act like you're gonna throw the paintbrush, but you don't actually throw the paintbrush, so you like fling, that's a good word. You fling the paintbrush, and that makes the outcome better.